Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 13R and let me show you how to boot developer options. First of all, open the settings, then find and select about phone at the top of the list, then tap 7 times on Mi version. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. Let's go back, scroll all the way down, enter additional settings, go just a bit lower, and developer options appeared right here. Click to open. Now you can smoothly use them however you like. Just configure your device as only you want to. You can use all the manufacturer details here and functions. And whenever you want to turn developer panel off, all you have to do is to unmark the top switcher. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.